What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I have my cousin out right now. He's working on his Rav4. He has a 2021 and he's installing the Raptor lights from Taco Vinyl. So shout out to them. Alright, so he already dismantled pretty much the air intake. He already took the screws off. He has to take this cover out so it can get up down to the grill and put the lights up. They're supposed to come up here. And yeah, this is from Taco Vinyl too. So he has now he has access to the back. See, makes it easier for him to work with the wiring and all that. And we're using my truck pretty much as a table. Works out with the bed. But yeah, so you have to take all these clips out. Let's take this air filter, not the air filter, the air intake manifold, and those are the lights. I think they're supposed to be amber. Son amarillos, no? Yeah. Yeah, so they're amber. They're pretty dope. We'll see how it goes. So we kind of just figured out how to put the lights up. There's like a certain way you have to turn them. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell. He already has one down. This is the wiring that pretty much comes to the back. He's gonna start with the next one. Perfect. So we're just securing the wiring in the back with some zip ties. So we're putting everything back right now. We actually had to take the latch out, the latch for the hood, so we can take this plastic out and actually get into the grill. Yeah, we're putting everything back right now. You can see the wiring over there.
You're lost. Dollar Tree headset, so free, freer than a public restroom. You're literally dog water, 0 PR, earnings check, oh wait you have none.
guys, so I'm in my cousin's car right now. We're gonna head out and take some videos of it and see how it looks, because it looks pretty dope. I like the lights, how it looks, and yeah. What's up, guys? So real quick, so my cousin really liked the Raptor lights. The install went pretty smooth, but yeah, it looked pretty sick. He really liked them. So they light up as soon as he turns the car on. It's pretty cool. That's pretty much how he wanted it. I'm pretty sure you could do it differently with a switch or something, the relay. But yeah, I don't know how it would look on mine. I'm thinking of changing the grill for a TRD Pro grill. Yeah, I also have the stripes from Taco Vinyl. Got this flag from Taco Vinyl too. Started to look cool. I actually tinted the windows also like about a month ago. I just matched it from the back. And yeah, so I also got so real quick, I also got a handle covers from Mizo Customs. I actually installed this one to see how it went. Looks pretty dope, because the original ones, the OEM, are chrome, so I wanted to take those out and actually black them out. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then show you the results. But yeah, I only installed one, like you see. Put these in the back. It looks pretty sick. So alright guys, I hope you guys liked the new handle covers. Shout out to Mizo Customs. And yeah, I'll link them down below. I'll put their Instagram, and I'll also put Taco Vinyl's Instagram. They have a lot of stuff for Tacomas, for Toyotas pretty much. And they're pretty sick. It's just stuff you can order, customize anything you want pretty much. They have it, so it's pretty sick. I'll put their Instagram down below. And yeah guys, I hope you guys liked the install, the video from today, the Raptor lights, and just a quick handle covers for my truck. Yep. So yeah guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching.